Hi, my name is Brian Mooney. My daughter was a patient of Dr. Saliman in August of 2023 after a previous surgery had failed. She had a meniscus tear. So we moved forward with getting the surgical repair with a pediatric surgeon. And then one day, and she was like, my knee feels bad again. The surgery failed. The current surgeon, basically, who did the initial repair, said that at this point, you generally would just do the ectomy and take the damaged portion of the meniscus out. I didn't really like that as a concept because, again, this is a 10-year-old and I feel like your meniscus is there for a reason. And then I basically just found Dr. Solomon's site. He said it could still be repaired. And then basically we went out, drove out there, got the surgery. Not only was the repair different, but the protocols were different as well. So you could tell he was ultra experienced in just the meniscus. And then from there, we just basically have had a great experience. He gave me his personal cell phone number to call if I needed to for anything. He called personally to check in. She was cleared for playing soccer, which is one of her passions at this point in her life, and has had no issues. Everything's been just kind of how it was before the surgery. She was cleared for full contact sports in, I believe, January of 2024. So I would call it, a full recovery. She's back to playing sports. None of that has really taken place, or if there was any of that early on, it's all water under the bridge, and she's just, good. And now an active 12-year-old. Yeah. So as far as my experience with Dr. Solomon and taking care of this entire situation, I would recommend him above anybody else. And not only would I recommend Dr. Saliman, honestly, his whole team has also been really good. We were coming from Mesa, Arizona, so you have to go through all the hurdles with the insurance. For anybody that has, a knee-related meniscus issue, the outcome's been great.